Farmers, ranchers, homesteaders, and other landowners who routinely work with tractors face a number of operational challenges on a regular basis. Tools that enhance safety and save time can make a huge difference. However, many of the problems that come with owning a tractor have gone unaddressed for years, if not decades. PTO Solutions was formed to provide assistive, innovative tools to all tractor owners. The PTO Link Quick-Connect revolutionized the power takeoff shaft process, making it possible to attach tractor implements in seconds. Using PTO Link means working smarter, easier, and faster, saving the time, strength, and health of tractor owners so they can do what they do best: